Hey there, it's Austin from Automatic Business, and I'm here to show you how to make a simple survey. So, you just need to go to sites and then surveys and then builder. So, you can click add survey here to make a new survey. You can make a folder to add, to make it organized. You add your surveys inside a folder and all of. And yeah, if you click add survey, can go here. You could either start from scratch or from template. But in our cases, you just start from scratch because we're just checking things out, how it works, and everything else. So basically, this is just like a quiz in Go High Level as well. I'm not sure if you've already seen a quiz, but this is quite the same. So you have a slide here. You have a submit button. If you add a new slide, this will turn to next, and then the last one will be submit. So you can move through each slides, and then you can drag elements, certain elements here that the user can fill in. You can drag text here. You could add other elements like images, and you could choose the file to add to that image, and you choose from your actual works your actual computer for the images. So you can check out all the elements here and how to customize them. You can customize them in here, styles and options. So a lot of different things here that you can actually customize, changing the background color, the color of the fonts here, the color of the text, and a lot of good stuff. So after that, if you're all good with how it looks and you've added all the pages that you want, you can click save and then click preview to see how it would look like when a user looks at it. So this is how it looks like right now. Since we haven't actually added anything in the second page, it's just the first. No, it's just the first slide actually, not page. But yeah. So if you want to copy or you want to share the survey to your website, you had to add the survey to your website. You can copy the embed code here and you can put that on your website. You can also copy the link here and even share it to your socials. And for settings here, you can see what happens when a user has completed or has submitted the actual form or the survey. As by default here, it says message, so it shows a message for the user that thanks them for completing the actual survey. Or you can click open URL and it will open a link after the user has submitted the survey. So yeah, there are a lot of other things here. You can toggle different stuff here for the for setting up the actual survey. For submissions, you can see all the submissions on your survey that the users has submitted. Yeah, apart from that, I have nothing else to add. I hope that I didn't miss anything. I hope that you learned something, and thank you. Have a great day.